Hello friends, so now today we are going to perform this edit operation of this added food product. So first of all, when we click here, you see the page not found. So we have to make this page edit food.php. So I'm just going to copy that name and going to create edit food.php. Now we are going to copy all the code of this add new food. I just copy all the code and here going to paste. Okay, so now we have design is ready. Yeah, now we have to change the code. So here, first of all, we have to write the code. So first of all, we have to get the ID. This ID is this one, whatever we are getting, this ID. That ID we pass from here. Let me show you. From this display food, we pass this ID. Then and then we can identify user click on which record. So we pass this ID from here. And this ID we got here. Now select start from food where id is equal to $id. Now while $row is equal to mysqli fetch array then $res. Okay. Now here we have to declare all the variables. So I'm going to declare dollar food name, then dollar food category, then food description, then food original price, food discount price, then food availability, then food veg non veg, then food ingredient. So we declare this variable. Now we have to fill the value in variable. So here $row. Now here we have to copy this column name. We have to paste here food category, and then food description, then food original price, food discount price, food availability, then food veg non veg, and then food ingredients. Okay, now here we are going to change the heading, and now here we are going to paste the value. So when we fill the value, it will looks like this. You see, we are getting the whatever values we added, we can see here. So now accordingly we have to display here. Now here we have to write the condition. So first of all we have to write option in HTML, so it will help to write our conditions. Yeah, now here we are going to write our condition. If dollar food category is equal to dollar of food categories, then echo selected. So here you see we selected Punjabi. I am going to refresh it. You see, we got Punjabi as selected. Now here dollar food description. Now here in value food original price. Then food discount price. Here also we have to write the condition. If dollar food availability is equal to yes, then we have to write here selected. The same thing I'm going to copy and paste here. Here you have to write the no. Here the same way food veg non-veg, veg then selected, non-veg then selected. Now the main conditions that we have to write here, because you see we selected three ingredients, so here we have to tick the three ingredients. So for that we have to write here one condition. So I am going to write the conditions over here. Before that, here I have to declare one variable. I have to take ingredients inside this variable. So dollar food ingredients. Yeah. Now we are going to write the conditions here. If string position, yeah, if string position dollar my string, and with whom we have to compare, we are going to compare with this. I will explain you why we are going to write these conditions. Okay, you see we take in three ingredients. So first we take whatever selected with comma value, we set inside this, and we are going to compare that these food ingredients is inside this string or not. If found, then we have to take these values. So now let's see here. So here you see whatever three we selected, we got here ticked. Now only we need to change the query. So here we have to keep the same whatever we have code. We don't need this. So I am going to remove up to this else, and we have to remove this else bracket. Here we have to fire update query. So update food. Then we have to write here set and column name. So I am going to copy column name. So set food name is equal to, then after comma food category is equal to, then food description is equal to, food original price is equal to, food discount price is equal to, food availability is equal to, food veg non veg is equal to, and then food ingredients. Sorry, at wrong place. Yeah, and we don't need this where id is equal to $id. Okay, so we fire here update query also. Then we need to change here our message. Food updated successful. And after getting message, we have to forward on displayfood.php. So now let's check. Here I am going to untick one, submit. Okay, why we are not getting discount price? Let's check. We forgot to write value. Yeah, we are getting all the value. Now I'm going to untick this. So we have these two. Now submit. Okay, we are getting the error. Okay, let's check what is the error. We are getting error over here in update query. We forgot here is equal to sign. Okay, so when you are getting error, you have to check what is the error. Now update, we are getting the message. Now edit, you see now only we have two tick mark. Now you can change anything. If you want to change here one, update, here you see it updated. Now we can change any value. So this way we can update the food. Now we have to perform this delete operation. So it's very easy. Delete operation, we have to make one page, delete food.php, new php file, delete food. Here it's very easy. From this edit food, we are going to copy some line, just this include connection.php, then we are getting the id, and now you have to fire delete query. So mysqli underscore query $link delete from food where id is equal to $id, and then we need to forward on our display page. So we are going to write script type gets JavaScript, then window.location is equal to display underscore food.php. Now let's check. Delete, you see food is deleted. So this way we can perform edit and delete operation on food. Now in next video I'm going to show you how we can add image in this food. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thanks.